Are you tired of struggling with bulky documents and messy paperwork? Do you need a fast, efficient way to bind your important reports or presentations? Introducing the SB12 Spiral Coil Binding Machine, the solution to all your binding needs. With its U-shaped punching handle, the SB12 is designed to make your binding process easier and more comfortable. The ergonomic design gives you more impact with less effort, so you can punch through up to 10 sheets of paper at a time with minimal strain. Say goodbye to sore hands and wasted time. The SB12 Spiral Binding Machine features a customized hole pitch designed to match the specific standards of different countries. Whether you're in the US, Europe, or other regions, this ensures your bound documents align perfectly with industry and regional binding specifications. It also allows you to bind up to 450 sheets of paper using a 51mm spiral coil, offering unmatched capacity for all your document needs. Plus, the built-in waste paper tray keeps your workspace tidy by storing paper scraps for easy disposal, making your binding experience even more seamless. Get your SB12 Spiral Coil Binding Machine today and experience the effortless way to bind your most important documents.